Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a mouth-watering low-carb appetizer, my buffalo chicken meatballs. Not only are these little nuggets loaded with flavor and spice, the whole recipe, all 33 meatballs, are only just over a half a net carb. Let's get started. You'll want to use about 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe. I've tried chicken breasts, they just don't work as well. Keep this bit of fat if your chicken has it. It'll help keep our meatballs nice and moist. Prep the chicken by cutting it into thirds. Place in a food processor. Add some cayenne pepper hot sauce, a good bit of salt, ground black pepper, just a bit of cayenne pepper, and some dried parsley. Pulse until the chicken is ground. You may have to scrape down the sides or mash it down once or twice. Place the ground chicken in a large mixing bowl. Add 1 lightly beaten egg, 1 cup of ground pork rinds, and a little grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well until all the ingredients are incorporated into the chicken. Using your hands, roll into cocktail-sized meatballs and place in a well-greased baking dish. Make sure the baking dish you use has sides, as there will be some rendered fat. I made about 33 meatballs from this recipe. Your amount may differ depending on the size of your meatballs. Place in the middle of a preheated 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While they bake, warm a 12-ounce bottle of your favorite zero-carb buffalo sauce in a sauce pot. When they're done, remove from the oven. Place the meatballs in a mixing bowl and pour over our warm sauce. Serve with some celery in my ranch dressing and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my low-carb buffalo chicken meatballs, a spicy and savory low-carb treat. Perfect for your next party or when you're watching your favorite sports team play. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.